If you are still one of those people who don't believe you can get ripped using just your own body weight and training at home, then today's workout is going to change your mind, because I'm going to unleash one of the most powerful yet simplest bodyweight metabolic conditioning workouts onto you guys. Hey everybody, how you doing? Peter Carvell here. Now, I've decided to unleash another extremely powerful yet very simple bodyweight fat loss workout onto you guys, because I'm still getting so many questions from people saying, Peter, can I really lose weight using just my body weight and doing workouts at home? Peter, can I build muscle using just body weight exercises? Peter, can I increase my strength just using body weight exercises? Yes, yes, and yes. Make no mistake, you never need to use one piece of equipment to completely transform your body. Sure, sometimes we want to mix things up and have a bit of fun, but you can transform your body and especially lose fat and burn calories right there at home using just your body weight. And today I'm going to show you another one of those simple, powerful workouts. So let's quickly look at the workout structure. Then I'm going to take you through one complete cycle. And then I've got something really special for you at the end of today's video, because one workout is never going to get you all the results you want, but I actually want to show you how to use all my different body weight workouts here on YouTube and how to create a workout program that you can start using to get great results using just your own body weight right there at home. But let's look at the workout structure. Guys, just 3 weight training exercises and 1 cardio exercise. We're going to use a very simple 20-10 interval structure. We're going to start with the first weight training exercise, and then we're going to up the tempo with a cardio exercise. Back to the second weight training exercise, up the tempo with the cardio exercise, and back to the third weight training exercise, and up the tempo with a cardio exercise. And that's it, guys. Really simple. Just 4 exercises, 3 minutes, and you will repeat this 4 to 6 times depending on your own fitness level. Let me now take you through a complete 3-minute cycle so you know exactly how to do this workout. So press play and stay with me. Let's go. So there you go, guys. You know all 4 of those exercises. It's very simple, very effective, but do it. And I promise you, you will find out how effective body weight workouts can be to help you burn calories and burn fat right there at home. Couple of things on how you can make this even harder. You can swap out the jumping jacks with burpees, and that alone will increase the intensity and effectiveness of this workout drastically. So if this is too easy for you, just swap out those jumping jacks with a burpee, and that will make it much harder. So guys, like I've mentioned, I've got something really special for you. If you want to learn how to use this workout and all my other bodyweight workouts here in my YouTube channel, and how to combine them to create your own powerful 21-day fat loss bodyweight challenge, then this is for you. All you have to do is go to 6weeksixpack.com/BW challenge, and I have created a very effective 21-day bodyweight challenge, 100% free of charge. You just sign up and start following the daily emails. As simple as that, guys, and you will know exactly how to use all my different bodyweight workouts day in, day out over a 21-day period to get the best possible results. So guys, as always, thank you very much for watching. Click that like button. Please share this. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and I will see you in the next one. Keep it simple and have fun out there. Bye-bye. If you are still